7:44 a.m. It's Wednesday. So later on, I have a special surprise if it's actually gonna work out. And you probably already saw it because that's probably the title of this video if it actually worked out. But either way, I'll probably still do it because, you know, hashtag clickbait. But so there was like problems. Wait, who do you have for English again?
Motto.
Yeah, there was problems in her class a couple of days ago. I used to be in that class, but I switched out of it. And did you hear about what Tiaja did?
No.
Tiaja was Tiaja's like in that class, and like the teacher, like basically everybody in that class is failing, cause she's a new teacher. Like this is her first year here, and she's horrible.
She really is.
She doesn't even know how to teach, bro. And she did literally she has like 2 grades in the grade book, and basically everybody in that class is failing. Whereas my English class, I literally have like 7 grades already in. Like we're on unit 2 right now.
We have 2.
You are?
2. We have 2 grades in there.
You guys have 2 grades in there, and for us, we're on unit 2, and you guys probably aren't on unit 1. Hey, my girlfriend texted me. Anyways, but yeah, I think it's really messed up because Tiaja, I think it's messed up that you guys have 2 grades in there. It's like basically everybody's failing. But like 2 days ago, Tiaja was like in that class, and the teacher was like saying that it's all the students' fault for failing and everything. And Tiaja was like, but you literally only have 2 grades in the grade book. How is that our fault? And then there's like 5 teachers in that class, first of all, and they're all sitting here like getting all disrespectful with Tiaja. And Tiaja was like, whatever, I'm going for a walk. And she was like packing her stuff up and everything. She's like, y'all need to be fired. And then the teacher started freaking out on her. But Tiaja's my B. I love her. Tiaja, if you're watching this, I love you. And you're funny as hell. Come here, Taylor! Come here!
I'm about to shoot myself. All you're gonna hear is I'm gonna shoot myself.
And yo, let me go get my girlfriend. I'm pulling up now. Oh! Ah! Say hi to the vlog! Hi, son! Yo guys, we got Gianna. Okay. Yo guys. So now we're doing our spacing pages because it's Wednesday. And this is my coloring so far.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, she's having boy problems.
So annoying.
Yes. So her ex, wait, is it your ex? Her ex-man just like got a new girl, and the girl's like
I just told
butt ass ugly, but oh well. Whatever floats your boat, you know.
What's the longest wavelength?
And I always got her Nesquik chocolate milk.
I do.
Not sponsored. Nesquik sponsored.
Strawberry.
Just kidding.
I had the strawberry one in my house, but
Ew, strawberry milk. I used to drink that when I was a baby, but now it's like disgusting. Anyways, so we have like 12 different station pages. We have 114 and then there's page 32, but like nobody messed
How does the rainbow
get?
I got it.
It's like this.
How does the rainbow get?
Red. Alright, well, quick update. I didn't finish my station pages,
Neither did I.
but it's fine. So I'm literally gonna do them all for homework tonight so that I can play that game tomorrow because I think it's Spanish basketball. Yeah, I know.
One more class and then I get to see my best friend.
Oh, my hair's so frizzy, bro. I hate school. Like, I just want to go home, bro. Who's in the vlog? Ashley! And we got Maddie.
Look at, I'm wearing slides. Mr. Roth is going to kill me.
Why is Mr. Roth gonna kill you?
Because I'm wearing slides.
And you have a
We
lab?
lab.
She got a lab and she's wearing slides. We got volleyball boy, volleyball boy, Ethan.
I need my volleyball shoes. What do you mean?
Yeah, I know.
They're in my bag.
Here's a stinky gym bag.
Stinky gym bag. What is there another thing? There you go.
Wait. Ball is like. Hey, Joshua!
Hello. Hi.
Hi guys. So now we're in lunch. Hey, Tiaja! Okay, so y'all just saw Tiaja, and Tiaja was the one that I was talking about this morning. But now we got Jesse Funk back in it again. Explain what this is.
My family actually
Oh, so we are selling a bunch of things for the American Cancer Society, and you can buy lanyards, erasers, all for cheap.
So hit Jessie up. What's your Snapchat?
Jessie.funk.
Go at her so that you can buy some stuff. Now we up in culinary. Yup. Here's my. Whose stuff is down here, bruh? Who left their mess? Kate. What? Yes.
It's a good day to be gay, bro.
Angelic! Oh, we love that. Yes. And I'm just in the middle walking between it. Love that. Me and Ashley were just in the wrong class, but like, who cares? We went into Mr. Roth's class. So yeah, she likes to go into his class every single day and color on that John. But yeah, now we're late, like 5 minutes, but it's whatever.
Because I just did not want to be behind. As much as I hate coming here, I have to come here because I hate being behind.
Ooh, the shade.
It's,
I don't want to be in this.
Yeah, you do. We love that. Hey, Bella. Okay.
Hi, vlog.
Oh my god. What's your Instagram?
Bellavona XO. Follow me on the gram.
Oh my god.
The L was silent.
The L was silent.
So, don't watch out. He's coming.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Get that away.
Alright, so you guys probably just saw like the air horn prank that I literally just put like right before this. So like what I was talking about earlier this morning when I said like my original plan was like something like super good and I was like ready for it because I was going to be my thumbnail and everything. It's still my thumbnail and everything and like it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be because I was going to do it on the bus on the way home because my bus driver would have freaked the hell out and she would have like probably threatened to like, kick people off the bus and everything. But I planned it out really well because I was going to do it on the way home so that one, she couldn't get the principal on the bus, or two, we couldn't get our bags searched or anything, and like it wouldn't have caused a problem with the school or anything, or like she just would have been pissed the whole ride home. So I was definitely going to do that, and then my friend asked me to tutor her, so yeah, that's what I did. So I just decided to do it on my way out of class, so I did that. And then throughout school, I've just been doing it here and there, just like messing around and stuff. So after I tutor her, then I'm like staying after until like 5 o'clock and I'm waiting for my girlfriend because me and my girlfriend are gonna go to the boys volleyball game. I'm tutoring Kate and we went to Wawa and got like a bunch of food and all of that. Got like a bunch in here. But like here's the air horn right now. I don't even care if it's on the camera. I used my small one just in case I got it taken away because I didn't want to get it taken away if I had my huge one. Okay, so now my girlfriend scooped me and now we're at Wawa and I have to carry everything because she's on crutches still. I'm only hanging out with her for like another hour because I'm getting picked up at 5 and then I'm going home. But once I get home, I'm probably just going to do homework and go to sleep. Oh wait, no, I don't even have homework. Yeet, I'm going to sleep. If I what?
If you love me, I'll give you a bite of that pretzel.
Yeah, I ended up buying a pretzel.
Here, hold this.
Just ow!
Shut up, it didn't hit you. Hey, vlog, no!
Shit, it broke. It's out! No, I have to go get my other one!
Too bad.
Dang it!
Too bad.
Thank God.
Mukbang.
Oh my God.
Guys, I'm getting a part in this vlog.
For lunch. Oh my God.
You don't love me that much.
Oh my God.
Oh
what?
God, I love Chipotle.
Whose girlfriend, bro?
Oh?
It's like, nah, you mine. Oh my God. Hey guys. So we just got back to the school and we're about to go outside and give all the stuff that she got to the people that wanted whatever they got. So we're about to do that and then I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So hopefully you like that air horn prank and
It's lame. It's lame.
no, it was pretty funny.
No, pretty lame.
It was pretty funny. But I'm definitely, like, since you just saw that the air horn died, I'm gonna get my other one and I'm probably gonna do next time on the bus that I get a better reaction from people. So yeah, let's go inside, watch this stupid volleyball game.
Peace out, vlog.